Oh, I don't know. I am pumped up, but that's gonna be a quick little intro to the video, guys. We have a swarm of bees that are coming in hot. Check it out. This is where it's at. I wanna get some of these side views so you can really kind of get the idea of how many bees are coming in. Okay guys, so it's Sunday the 23rd. I hope everybody's having a great day. So I just looked outside and we have another swarm that's coming into the hot, like I don't even know, there is bees everywhere, guys. Like this is insane. This is the most bees I've ever seen on a swarm. They're everywhere. Cash, chasing the cat. Look at this. There is bees everywhere. Swarm hive here, boom. Swarm hive here, we've caught, boom. But look at this. I don't know if this is one swarm or two swarms. There is another cluster of bees here. They're everywhere. This looks to be the main swarm coming in right here. Check this out. Let's get in there with them. Oh, what's up? There is so many bees. I don't even know what to do right now. I don't know, like, it's odd that there's a main cluster here. There's a main cluster here. They're still swarming. And there is another cluster right here, guys. Like, they usually don't break off like this and then have, I'm kind of baffled for words right now. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. So in these boxes here, I always leave some honey, okay? And like on a year like this year, sorry, I'm just kind of revved up. The bees, when there isn't a lot of food going out because of the cold weather, this is just like one of the best natural swarm selections that you can get. But I'm dumbfounded to know what is really going on. They are everywhere. I think I have to let these ones calm down. As you can tell, things are getting kooky around here. So this is wild. Another swarm. I just don't get it. Why are they clustering right here? Right here. And also in here. There's bees everywhere. But the majority of the bees are right here. Which is odd because there's no lid on there. I'm really not sure what to think right now. What is going on? I was having a coffee, kind of just grinding on YouTube, figuring out how, you know, getting my nerd on. And I looked out and I saw this black cloud. And we have another swarm. So we're gonna let these guys, I also have this tick on me. That's not cool. I'm just blown away to know what's going on. I'm not sure. Is it two swarms? This is clearly one swarm right there. But I'm not sure, like, usually they don't do this. Like, guys, there's bees everywhere. Look. I have no idea how I'm gonna hit this on the head. There's 3 clusters of bees. These ones are already in, have made, those guys have made cozy in that new home already. So I don't know, is it 2 swarms? I'm blown away, and I think the bees are kind of confused too, because there's just, if this is just one single swarm, I'm not sure. I'm a little just beside myself right now to really think what's going on, but check it out. These guys are still home. I know these guys wouldn't have left because she's in there laying like a queen should. Let's go check my hives out. I know for almost for certain that these bees are not mine. These guys here clearly just chill. They're probably just warming up for the day. These were queenless, but they, I put some fresh eggs in those 2 hives. They have queens now. I know they ain't going nowhere. This was my strongest hive here, and we can pop the top on it. Like, there's bees everywhere in there. Those guys did not swarm. So this is another freebie. I am pumped up. 3rd one of the year. Cash, who's excited? He's excited. We're all excited here. So, all right, well, we're gonna let these guys calm down. This is exciting, and that means more work. But on a side note, I want to show you something. I wasn't sure when I was going to pick the camera back up, but yesterday, like, side note again, you know how I like doing those? 8500, here we go, redlining. So, while we're letting that swarm calm down, because we're going to have to get in there, get a bottom board, get a brood box going, and get these guys a home. But remember how I was telling you about the sunken greenhouse, guys? And that I was gonna start working on it? Well, I gone and done it. I gone and done the work. Not all of it, but some of it. Check this out. Don't mind the lumber because it's kind of a mess. But look at this. I'm not gonna touch on it too much. It's just a taste tester. Like, we got lettuce. We got strawberries, we got an upper bed. We have these really cool arch stairways whoop. We got some peppers, kale, celery, and I made this cool pea trellis. All right, if you guys are into gardening, I'm gonna be shooting another video just on this build. I have a couple really cool ideas for the sunken greenhouse, and I'm just kind of all over the place. I've been working here, I've been working there. I have 800 pounds of honey that I need to process. New honey labels. Guys, we're locked in the greenhouse. There's a stone that rolled in there, so we're gonna have to go from the proper way here. Check it out. It's starting to be something. But look at this. You guys interested in maybe buying some honey? Check it out. Premium organic raw honey. Little scan code. Stickers just came in. So I'm just kind of running all out, to be honest with you. It's been a lot of work here, still, you know, managing the gardens, working with the chickens, the horses, the whole shabam. But, all right, I'm gonna tune back in about an hour, I think. That will give enough time for those bees to... What are you doing over there, Rusty? Big old yard cock over there, just... No name cat. You know what she's doing? Humping. She's been out, look, she lost her 2 kittens. She's kind of a bad mom, Gracie. Hey, Gracie. Look, you can actually milk the kitten milk. Just kidding, that's weird. But that's her little baby. She had 3. I can't really tell the difference between blackface 1, blackface 2, but blackface number 3, the male, Cash got him. I woke up one morning and morning was going so good, right? I was feeling really high spirits, and next thing I knew, anyways, he didn't make it. All right, guys, tune back in. Very large swarm of bees here, guys. Gonna take a quick look, see if we can see the queen, but guys, there's still bees in here. And we got a storm system blowing in, so we got to get this done, guys. All right. I'm sorry about that. The microphone was off, so let's reshoot that. So guys, it is all out craziness here. It's crazy town. But I ended up making this massive mess here on the yard, trying to get that massive swarm of bees into these 2 boxes right here. I originally tried the shakedown method here, but there was so many bees coming in, they were just instantly taken off and going to where they had landmarked up in here, up in the Chattahoochee. So with all of them kind of keep going up there, I decided to bring those 2 boxes over here and then bump the bees in there and add a lot of smoke. We got stung today. With the rain, it's overcast, and most of them kind of, a few on the forearms, some body stings, they felt good. Mostly on my hands. And you know, a lot of beekeepers will wear protective equipment in terms of gloves, but I always find with the gloves, like the bees sting through the gloves anyways, for the most part. But just keep the face good. I wore a veil today because I knew that with this, with the weather blowing in, that they were going to be a little bit more miserable. On a hot, sunny day, no biggie. They're all good, right? Like the other day we caught that swarm. today they swarmed early. Usually they swarm around 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I find. But these guys were up and early at it. Still got lots of bees all over the place. I'm gonna continue smoking these bees out, encouraging them to go into their new home. So that's a wrap. I got a whole mess here to clean up. I'm gonna keep working with these bees, smoking them in, button this lid up because I kind of have it off to the side right now, guys, just so the bees can really get in there nice and easy. Anyways, guys, that's another one. Another exciting day. The sunken greenhouse is underway. Things are getting done. We're having a good time. We're working hard though, right? So everybody out there watching, take care and God bless. Peace.